And welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today I'm making a very quick 15-minute breakfast in the oven. It's going to be a baked avocado egg. Baked avocado egg. And we have an avocado here. It's a wonderful avocado. I prefer the Hass avocados for this recipe. They're kind of sturdier than the other avocados, and I'll just scoop a little bit of the inside out just to get a little more room for the egg to go in here. And obviously we're going to keep our avocado meat. We're going to take out a little bit more of this other one. Oops. And make a little boat there with the avocado. We'll set that aside. I will sprinkle a little bit of salt. In the bottom of the avocado here. On both of them. Pinch of black pepper. And a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of red pepper flakes, just to give it some heat. And we have our eggs here. We're going to safely pour our eggs into the avocado. I have prepared a pan, a baking dish. Prepared a baking dish. I sprayed with some non-stick spray, just that in case the egg spills in there, it wouldn't make a mess. It would be easy cleanup. And you'll just pour the egg into the avocado. Well, you see the avocado is kind of small, so let's do this. We will take the yolk, put the yolk in like that, and we'll just pour some egg white around it, as much as it can take. Like that. And we'll just put it in there carefully and let it stand up. And we'll do the same with the other. I have some egg whites left, but you can always make a egg white frittata with that. Oh, this one is beautiful. It's a little over, but take some of that white out. Just let it sit, and then we'll do the rest of our put a little bit of salt and pepper on here, and some flakes, salt and pepper, and some flakes, and there we have it. My oven is set at 450, and this is going to go into the oven for 15 minutes at 450. Carefully lift into the oven at 450. 15 minutes, and I'll be back. So whilst my avocados are in the oven, the rest of the egg whites, I'll just make a little fried egg whites here with some pepper jack cheese. Roll over. There we go. A little egg white omelet here. There we go. "15 minutes later, we're done." So here we are, 15 minutes later. And if you notice, you will notice the egg develop a little crust there, the yolk developed a little crust. You can either serve it like that, which is perfect, which is pretty good. But if you want to take that crust off, you can. If you don't want to serve it with that little crust, you can just get a knife and remove it. Just be careful not to remove the entire yolk. There you go. And that's what it would look like without the crust. But I don't see anything wrong with serving it with the crust. And you just sprinkle a little more pepper flakes on there. I sprinkle a little dehydrated kale that I have, and you're good to go. A wonderful breakfast in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And if you have any egg white left, you'll have an egg white omelet. You can have an egg white omelet here. So, bon appetit. Happy breakfast making. And I'll see you in the next clip.